Hi viewer, today I want to show you how to find your AirPods serial number. There are several ways to check serial number for AirPods. This is AirPods Pro. Open AirPods charging lead. The serial number is on the underside of the lead. Method 2. You can check AirPods serial number using iOS device. First, make sure your AirPods connected with your iPhone or iPad. Tap Settings. From Settings, tap General. Then tap About. From About section, find out your AirPods name. Tap on the AirPods name. Here you'll get serial number. You can also find the serial number on the original product receipt or invoice. Also, you can check AirPods box for serial number. So these are the steps to find your AirPods serial number. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap on red subscribe button. Also tap on bell button to receive notifications about all new videos. Thank you. Thank you for watching.